Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my bike build, and you're watching the KR Moto channel. Alright, I'm now getting fuel into the carburetors. And we're just going to check and make sure these things ain't leaking anywhere down here by the bowls or none of that before I start this thing. I'm hoping I got the ignition set up right, but we're going to see if this thing's going to crank. Pump it a little bit. My finger keeps getting in the way. Again, I apologize. I smell gas. I'm smelling fuel. Just letting the carbs fill up with fuel. I'm nervous, guys. I'm freaking nervous. But I'm gonna go ahead and try starting this puppy. See what we got going on. Cross your fingers, guys. Holy shit. Ooh. Give it a little bit of choke, maybe. Oh. Success, man. Yeah, success on the... I haven't adjusted the carburetors or nothing, but it's fucking idling. I don't hear nothing ticking. Carburetors need to be adjusted. Alright guys, I'm not going to run it anymore. You heard it. It sounds really good. Everything is fucking running on all 4 cylinders. This shit's hot. So I'm really fucking ecstatic. Pardon my French, you guys. It's been 3 years, man, and I can't believe it. Wow, the thing sounds a lot better than what I thought it would. I haven't adjusted the carburetors yet, but I'm going to get there. Nothing is leaking so far. So I'm going to check some stuff out here, make sure we're good. Not seeing any carburetor leaks or nothing. Actually, let's see here. Everything looks good down by the pipes. I can't believe it. I'm so excited, guys. So excited. I'm going to turn this. I'm really excited about everything. It's been a while, man. It's been a long time. Oh, hey, hang on, guys. I'm going to turn this fuel off real quick. Let me put you on pause. All right, guys. I got a little bit of a drip down here. I know right where it's coming from. It's coming from this right here. You can see the oil. Don't let me get too close here, but it's dripping right here. But I just jacked it up here real quick and I shut the fuel line off. But I haven't adjusted the carburetors yet or anything, so I got to tighten this up. But I loosened this bolt up right here because I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my oil pressure gauge out of that. So that's where that was leaking from. But you can see there's nothing down here. I've been checking all over the place to make sure that I have no leaks down here. No leak there. No leaks around the engine anywhere. Nothing leaking out of the carburetors. So just that right there. These things are hot. So I'm just really excited. I worked really hard on this bike, and I'm just super stoked. So checking out some more stuff here. Okay, sure none of these are leaking down here. That is the oddest thing, the way that timing worked like that. I hope I got it set right. I'm not leaking anything down here. All right. Just double checking everything. Got 2 more drips right here, so you can see the oil around those. I didn't tighten these things up good enough because it's dripping down here. You can see where it's kind of wet, and then you can see the oil. I didn't tighten those up good enough. Shame on me. And let's see if we see any more other oil leaks anywhere. I have one right here too as well. That's why I pulled that down earlier. I had that earlier, but I forgot just to tighten that one up way earlier. And the oil's filling back up inside the engine. Good. I'm not seeing any more. I'm gonna get a wrench and I'm gonna tighten that up. I think that's 12 millimeter. Damn, that thing's fucking tight on there. But I'm still getting leakage out of it. Hang on a second, guys. It's hard to do this with this on. So I got that tight, kind of tight, but hopefully we won't have no more problems off this. We'll just keep an eye on it. It might be because I got that underneath there and it put some space in there, but that's where it was at. So, and I'm just looking for anywhere on the crankcase, on the back of the motor. I'm not seeing anything back here. I gotta watch the exhaust because it's hot. But I'm not seeing anything significant. I mean, oh yeah, I gotta tighten this one up right here. Those were just finger tight though, I think. It's a 19 mil. It's 18 to 18 millimeter. Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I bet you guys been waiting for a long time too. Is this thing ever gonna run? Well, it runs. You heard it, and it runs really good for, you know, not having any adjustments done on it. So, especially on the carburetors. But I don't want to run it too long because I don't want to freaking seize a piston in here. But So I wonder, yeah, that one was way loose. Shit. So I wonder that wasn't puking out freaking oil as bad as it was. It just had a little drip. You can see it right there on my rag dripping. I cleaned up the other side too. But I want to run my oil pressure gauge, I think, off of this right here. Yeah, those are loose. And this one was as well. Jeez, sorry about my finger getting in the way, guys. But, wow. Yeah. So I'm happy, man. I'm happy that everything's running fine. I think the timing is set as good as I'm going to get it for now until I can run like a, I got a timing light, a really good one, a Craftsman, and I could probably run it on that to make sure that this is right. I got a couple of guys from a forum that's going to help me out with it to find out why there was no marks behind that 2 and that 3. And all I did was I lined it up with that little dipple that was in the on part of the rotor, and it worked. And it doesn't seem, I mean, the exhaust, it seems like it might be backfiring a little bit, but that a Kaufman exhaust did that on my Honda as well. So but yeah, I really appreciate you guys sticking it in there with me, man, and everybody that gave all the positive comments on this thing and just inspired me to keep going on it. And that's what I did. I mean, it's been 3 years and a month to yesterday, and so yeah, I'm happy. I'm glad that this thing is running like it is, and it just to start up like that, just to fire up like that, I could not believe it. So obviously I did something right with this thing, you know. We had a couple of leaks in little areas where, you know, probably where I expected them to leak. I mean, I missed a couple of bolts and I tightened everything down on here because I had taken these off on the side of the valve cover. The one down there, I put that one on there. That was for the ignition, for my ignition wire to come down, and I did that and unscrewed it and put it on there. And obviously I didn't get the bolt tight enough, so I'm gonna put you guys back here so you can see what I'm doing. But yeah, so anyways, what I'm going to be doing next on this thing is I'm going to be adjusting the carburetors. I got to get those done. I know I said that that I'd be doing it tonight, but I got other stuff to do, man. I got to work tomorrow, and I got to get up super early, so I might tackle it tonight, maybe do a video on it. Check out my Facebook too. I got a Facebook now, and I do have Instagram, but just to let you guys know. So, but I'm really excited, guys, and I really appreciate all you guys' positive comments, and you guys have helped me out, and you've stuck it out with me. And leave me a comment and tell me what you think, man. And yeah, we'll go from there. Anyways, don't forget to hit the like. Please subscribe. And as always, peace.